how do you see Gujarat's role in driving India's sustainability future?
Well, Gujarat traditionally has been taking the lead in, as far as industrialization is concerned, as far as progress is concerned. Gujarat always has been taking the lead in the country, and Gujarat is there is I can say that Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. These are the three states, and Bangalore to some extent. These are the three states which always have been taking the lead in industrialization, new ideas, new projects, and all.
Absolutely.
So and the people of Gujarat are very progressive, forward-thinking, and very entrepreneurial.
Absolutely.
So I feel that Gujarat has a very significant role to play.
Right. My another question is, how do you see India positioning itself as a leader in the global recycling and circular economy space?
Well, the answer is very simple. That you just see the scale. We have a population of 1.4 billion people. We generate whole lot of waste. We consume whole lot of resources, and then we have a long way to go as far as recycling is concerned. We have a long way to go as far as properly utilizing the resources, and so there is it's like a blank canvas. So whatever you do on it, whatever you print on it, whatever you create on it,
Right.
and so that's where you can do. So sky is the limit as far as India is concerned.
Absolutely. All right. My another question is, how do you generate the interest development? I'll repeat. What message would you like to give to young innovators in this field to generate their interest into greens and sustainability thinking?
Well, who am I to give any message to youngsters? I'll tell you what. This is a thing which is again self-sustaining. The youth across the world, and especially in India, they are doing significant projects. People are thinking out of box. What was convinced, you look at the jobs, look at the career paths. 10 years back, 15 years back, a career path would be like engineer banna hai mujhe, or I want to become a doctor and all that. People are now dropping out of college and they are innovating. People are the youngsters today, they are thinking really globally, in terms of, and they are not constrained by any things that we can do this or we can't do this and all. So ideas are limitless.
Right.
And a whole lot of development is happening. A whole lot of new ideas are emerging. So
Correct.
the message is they rather would be inspiring a whole generation. And that would be the thing. Instead of us giving us messages and making other statements, we should get inspired by this young lot of entrepreneurs who are really redefining the entire landscape of India.
Correct. Okay, my last question. One reason everyone should be a part of Greens 2026, according to you?
Well, I'll tell you what. Everyone has been doing as far as say waste management in cities, or industrial effluent, or metal recycling and all. So there have been sporadic efforts happening everywhere. This is the first time, in my knowledge, where a comprehensive platform like this has come together in one place.
Correct.
So I feel this is something which is unique. This is something which by itself is is an innovation. So I think it can really change the way we think. It can really change the way we operate.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your thoughts.
You're welcome.